Inhale, arms up. Exhale, twist to your right. Gaze softly to the back corner. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, twist to your left. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Come back to center. Inhale, left arm up, bend to the side. Feel the stretch along your side body. Focus on your breath. And switch side. Right arm up. Breathe into the space between your ribs. Slow inhale, slow exhale. Come back to center. Come onto hands on your knee, cat and cow. Inhale, arch your back, look at the sky. Exhale, round your back, look your belly. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, round your back. Moving at your own pace. This is not about flexibility. It's about movement and breath. Even small movements are enough. Come back to center. Extend your right arm forward. Kick your left leg back. Find your balance. Keep your core gently engaged. Lengthen through your fingertips and heel. Breathe here. Exhale, bend your elbow and knee. Bring them toward each other. Inhale, extend back out. Exhale, round your spine. Exhale, find the long line again. Exhale and inhale. Keep a little bit and switch side. Extend your left arm forward. Kick your right leg back. Find your balance. Keep your core gently engaged. Lengthen through your fingertips and heel. Extend, bend your elbow and knee, bring them toward each other. Inhale, extend back out. Exhale, bend your elbow and knee. Inhale, extend back out. Last one, exhale, round your spine. Inhale, extend your body. Keep a little bit and hand to the mat. Come into melting heart pose. Slide your hand forward. Relax your shoulder and back and jerk forehead to the mat. Slowly wake up, shift back into downward facing dog, lengthen spine, inhale and exhale. Up your right leg, Bring your right foot forward. Come into Warrior 1. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, relax your shoulder. Bend your front knee. Gaze straight. Inhale and exhale. Open your arms wide. Warrior 2. From Warrior 2, flip your front palm. Reach your right arm up and back. Feel the stretch along your side body. Right hand to the mat. Right arm reach up. Find your triangle. Stack your shoulders. Soft gaze upward. And hand to the mat. Come into downward facing dog. Lengthen spine. Relax your shoulder. Inhale and exhale. Up your left leg. Bring your left foot forward. Inhale, arms up. Warrior 1. Bend your front knee. Relax your shoulder. Gaze straight. Inhale and exhale. Open your arms wide. Warrior 2. Open your chest. From Warrior 2, flip your front palm. Reach your left arm up and back. Feel the stretch along your side body. And triangle pose. Lower your top shoulder back. Soft gaze upward. Hand to the mat. And plank pose. Exhale, lower your body to the mat. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, shift back into downward facing dog. Lengthen spine. Look forward. Jump to your hand. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, bow down. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. One more. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. Last one. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bow down. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, bow down and step your foot back. Plank pose. Lower your body to the mat. Inhale, up dog. Open your chest. And exhale, down dog. Lengthen spine. Look forward. Jump to the hand. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, bow down. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. One more. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. Last one. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. And come into seated position. Sit tall, both legs long and wide. Inhale, reach your left arm up. Exhale, side bend to the right. And switch side. Focus on your breath. Listen to your body. Inhale and exhale. And cross-legged seated position. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hand to the heart center. And thank yourself for showing up today. See you.